is the lucky winner for today. Dun, dun. Okay, congratulations to Mr. Daniel at 2060 Compass Wheel Lens. So you are the 100% free discount. Woo!
哈哈哈哈！恭喜发财 I'm the God of Fortunes of Jetstyle Aircon. This Chinese New Year, I'm going all out. From today until Jap Gourmet, we are going to pick 3 lucky homeowners every single day.
So this one, the HDB came in, they check that this one, they say got leaky and molding.
Okay, but any both of it, you hotel lah. Yeah, any you when you recommend for your friend, then you
Happy New Year.
Every day, we pick 3 lucky winners. But remember, the contest ends after Jap Gourmet. Book now, you could be the next one to get free service.
财神疯狂送，清洗冷气我买单
Jetstyle Aircon
等你来，恭喜发财，嘿啊，旺啊，发啦！